Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, we have a kitchen garden and it is an organic kitchen garden. Therefore, my mom gives all kind of organic fertilizer or pesticides. And in this garden, we do kitchen gardening as well. Last year, we got lots of garlic from our garden. This year also, we'll plant a garlic plant. So I will show you how you can get your own garlics in your garden as well. Make sure to choose a pot which will have lots of depth inside it. In the bottom, she gave some manure. She also added sand and kitchen waste compost to this mixture. Next thing you need to do is that you have to select some healthy garlic from your kitchen. And make sure that the garlic you're putting inside the soil like this should be healthy. If the garlic is small, immature or defected in any other way, you must not plant that garlic. Only plant the healthy garlic. And this much space is necessary for the garlic to grow. If the space is less than this, then the garlic will not grow properly. After that, make sure to cover this again with some well-fertilized soil like this. After this, you have to thoroughly water the plants. If here you cannot understand what my mom is giving, this is actually turmeric water. This will not only water the plants but will also help the plants get rid of any kind of fungal infections. If you wish, you can also give plain water. And within 10 days, you will see small plants coming out. After the plants are little big enough, you don't have to do anything, but you do have to keep some things in mind that is necessary. Like time by time digging the soil. Also removing the weeds and giving fertilizer time by time. Now for an organic healthy fertilizer, we know that kitchen waste compost is the best. So my mom is going to give this plant kitchen waste compost right now. If you did not know, kitchen waste compost has all kind of micro and macronutrients as well, which is very essential for your plant to grow. But as you know, before giving any kind of manure or fertilizer, we must dig the soil. Digging the soil is essential for aeration as well as removal of weeds. Here my mom is giving kitchen waste compost, and after kitchen waste compost or any kind of other fertilizer, make sure to water your plants. Also, instead of regular water, my mom sometimes gives rice water. You can also give vegetable peel water or onion peel water, which is the best for your plants. And making onion peel water is also very easy. If you want to know how you can make it, today I'll show you. Just get some onion peels. And all you have to do is that you have to soak the onion peels in the water for 24 to 48 hours. Then just strain and give the water. It is as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.